What's up, guys? This is the first video of BRC, boys. So, as you can see, it's me and Fraser, but Fraser's cameraman, so you can't really see him. But so you might recognise from Liam and Fraser Life. So we deleted that channel because it sucked. Anyways, today I got a new motorbike. It's a 125. Bit dusty because I've been riding it around. And yeah. And all you noobs out there, it's really easy to ride. When I say noobs, I'm referring to Ollie Salter and Ethan Fletcher. Ethan Fletcher, when he first rode 50, his legs were just hanging out because he didn't know where to put them. And Ollie Salter, he went driving down the driveway and then slid because he didn't know how to turn. So it's pretty, you could say they're noobs. Yeah.
Apparently, Liam fell off and he nearly knocked himself out on this. So, if you never gotten a motorbike before, don't start with a 125, start with like a 50, because 125s are really powerful. Oh, like you said there, just did a mono, because he's so sick. So yeah. So, as you can see, it's my turn to ride the 125. It's a very rare motorbike. I'm just making this crap up. But, Liam got some new stuff, whatever these are. And so it's my turn. And let's hope I don't fall off.
See, Fraser, when he first went on a motorbike in my house, he kind of fell off. I don't think it was first, I think it was like fourth. Anyways, yeah, so he went right, going that fast, and then he crashed into a pole. That's how sad it is. He crashed into a pole. And then Ollie, how I was saying before, he crashed into a fence.
We're back! So now me and Liam are going to have like a little race. Liam's going to have the 125 and I'm going to use Liam's little 50 because we have that other motorbike. So yeah. Okay, I'm getting a head start because it's so good.
Thanks guys for watching BRC. Make sure you put the thumbs up down the bottom and like, well yeah, I just said that. Subscribe, comment, all that stuff.